What's up, guys? The Locust here. Welcome back to part 3 of the game room build slash room tour. Part 3 will be the last one in this series, so let's get into it. Alright guys, before we start this little end of the mini-series, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications just so that you don't miss any videos that are going to be coming out. Like I said before, I put out videos every Tuesday. If you guys want to check out my stream, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Link is going to be in the description. Also Instagram, if you want to check out my Instagram, I'm going to have just different things that are going to be added to this stream build. Any gameplay or things that I'm going to be doing reviews on will be in that Instagram link, also in the description. Let's get into the video, guys.
Alright, now we're putting in these things. Gotta get some shelves up. This is kind of janky, but until we get legs, that's what we got. And this one you can kind of put in there with these cords here. That way it'll hide them. Alright, so we got these little nifty little drawers here. I'll pull out what we made from IKEA. We'll go there, we'll try and figure out a better spot maybe once we get all of the gaming systems and TV set up. But first, we gotta get the shelves up. That will be next. Obviously, you know, this cord right here won't be there because that's for the light, but cable management is looking not too bad. I am gonna do something with back there, but we're looking all right. I'm gonna get some nano leaves to kind of go along that right there, and then we need to get these LED strips. All right. Let's go. Alright, LED strip time. got here one over here and one on the shelf. Of course, this one is the hardest one to get undone.
Sticky. I'm not messing with you.
Yeah.
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 Oh, no.
We'll figure this out, I promise you guys. Alright. Got it unstuck.
Ooh, there it is. Alright. Yeah.
Turn off the lights.
Nice. Love it.
Alright, TV time. Go right there.
Woo! Hold on.
Alright guys, there is the TV in the room. Probably going to move that poster and eventually get, you know, nano leaf lights going there. I ended up putting that poster back. Still haven't gotten everything completely done yet, but we are getting there. Definitely getting there. So turn off this light. Cool. Let's do some RGBs around the TV. PlayStation. We got the PlayStation remotes right here. And then we got the Switch down here with the Switch remotes on the bottom here. Get this all set up. Guys, so the room is finished. I need to do some cable management, but it's looking good. Let's take a look. Got the beanbag chairs. There's gonna be a second computer there. Got the lights going on over here. And then got the Switch, PlayStation, all the controllers down there, headsets, remotes. Still working on, you know, cables and stuff, but solid room.
Thank you again for the support, guys. It has been amazing. This series has been a lot of fun for me. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, make sure to check those out. Again, guys, I really appreciate all the comments you guys have been leaving, all the likes. It has been awesome. I have had a lot of fun with this thing. Like I said before, guys, if you do want to see me stream and have any questions, I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on Twitch. Link is in the description. If you want to see any new things that I'm going to be adding to this build over time, check out my Instagram. I have awesome new things like these hats coming out, these shirts right here. If you want to see any of that, like I said, my Instagram link is also in the description. Thanks again, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications just so that you don't miss any videos that are going to be coming out. I make videos every Tuesday, so definitely be sure to check those out. And yeah, thank you guys.